This is either it or I'm lost.
In reference to 240 on Van Buren, subject to be a Hispanic male, 19 years old, medium height, for 35 pounds.
Building number would be nice.
14 on it.
Do you like all that helpful info we got from our complainant? See me on this side. I'm just going to answer yes to all the questions. Get the officers out here faster. I don't have time for this. Yeah, great, thanks. Phoenix Police. How you doing? Whoa! Put hands! Hands! Holy back away from the gun. Get back and get out here. Come out here. Come out. I'm not going to shoot you. Come out here. Come out here. Over here. Over here. Get down on your knees. Get down on your knees. Get down on your knees. Just get down. Just get down. Relax. Put out the 998? I did. Okay. Right here, right here, right here, right here. Come on, come with me, come with me.
Hey, get back.
Jerome, go back inside, go back inside. Go back inside.
Is there anybody else in the house?
There's nobody else in the house.
Right, the gun is right there on the floor. Just stay right here.
Baby. Can I go?
No, you need to stay right there. There's nobody else in the house? There's nobody else in the house?
Stick with me. Baby, you.
Hey. Just relax. Stay right there.
There's nobody else in the house.
Okay, fine.
Why did you
Okay.
come and knock on the door? What's the problem?
Neighbors called, said you guys were arguing and fighting.
There was fighting over here.
I knocked on the door. I yelled Phoenix Police.
There was no fight.
He opened the door with a gun. It's okay. It's okay.
It's not. This is not.
435 Lincoln. Just so you know, we are code 4. The subject is down,
Baby, stay
and we
with
got the
me.
female party separated.
Breathe, please.
You want to take her away?
Yeah.
Take me away.
Okay. You need to just come with me. Okay. We just want to clear away from the scene. That's all. Okay. Come with me. You're fine. Okay.
This is crazy because literally the other night he heard knocking on the door and he was looking through the peephole and he does have a gun on him.
Yeah, he does. He came to the door with it. And I'm not saying that he did anything wrong, but he just
But did he pull it on you guys?
he had it out, and when he saw it was us, he hit it behind his leg and he started walking at me. I drew out on him. I was on him, but I didn't shoot. My partner shot. So I mean, I
This is just like a flashback from the other night. He
was
said that
anything going on inside? Because your neighbor called saying that he heard you guys going at it. Arguing, fighting?
Literally, we were making salsa and playing Crash Bandicoot, so there may have been some screaming from PlayStation, but it's
Okay.
it wasn't domestic violence or anything.
Well, and that's how the call came out, and that's why we knocked on your door.
Baby! Am I able to check to make sure he's okay?
Is that?
Can I please?
No, you can't go back over there. You can't go back over there. Okay? I'm sorry.
make sure he's okay?
I can't.
If I stay here, can you please go make sure he's okay?
I want to do that. I want to do that for you.
You can
but
contain me right
no,
here.
sweet. I want to do that for you, but I'm leaning towards the fact that he's not. Okay.
He's not okay.
He's
Where'd
not.
you shoot him? Or where did he
I
shoot
didn't shoot him. My partner shot him because he came at us with a gun. He came out of the apartment and walked towards us with a gun in his hand. I don't know what he's going to do, and he yelled some noise and yelled some words. I don't know what it was. I don't know what it was, but. So she says, so the guy upstairs calls. So when he calls back, they hot it out. And while we're on the way, dispatcher says, just so you guys know, weren't able to get any further info from the complainant. He says he just is going to answer yes to all the questions. He just wants the cops here now. Okay, great. Thanks for that. So we come walking up to the I pull to the left of the door. Jeff's on the right of the door. Police. Stand there. Door comes whipping open. I'm like, oh, yelled something. And then I saw a gun in his hand. So I yelled, gun. Throw out. And the guy started going right down. So I was like, well, I don't have to fire. Yeah. Would have. I mean, he took 2 steps out of the door. I mean, it was like door. Oh, gun, and then he went like that, and I was just like, whoa, getting ready to come in and squeeze.
Yeah. Is Cook in your squad?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.